Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Open to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. So sorry, misclick. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive button to connect. If you prefer to scan the QR code, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!